Losing a loved one is incredibly hard, and navigating their estate shouldn't add to your grief. In Kentucky, you can skip lengthy formal probate by using a small estate affidavit, officially called a petition to dispense with administration. This simplified process is available if the probate estate is $30,000 or less. This limit only counts probate assets, like cars or bank accounts, not non-probate assets, like life insurance. Who can file? Kentucky follows a strict order. First, the surviving spouse. Next, surviving children. And finally, preferred creditors settling estate debts. Ready to start? First, confirm eligibility. Next, complete Form AOC 83 and gather documents like the death certificate. Sign it before a notary, then file it with the district court. After court approval, simply collect and distribute the assets. Ensure accuracy and address creditor claims. Seek legal help if things get complex. Remember, this video is strictly informational, not legal advice. Thanks for watching our Kentucky Small Estate Affidavit Guide. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.